Hey guys, welcome back to another banger, guys. This is my boy Ahmed. Let's go, guys! Yeah, and today we are going to be talking about the creepy fridge, guys. Don't do the creepy fridge at 3 a.m., guys. So yeah, guys, don't do the creepy fridge at 3 a.m. If you do it, then he will burst on you, guys. He will throw ice packs at you and whatever's in your fridge. Look, guys. Oh! As you can see, guys, it just moved, guys. Hey, guys, my name is Mr. Bob, and I would pay your refrigerator bill. Yeah, guys, as you can see, he just said that he will pay your refrigerator bill. So, yeah. Yeah, guys. So, yeah. He just throwed up a cup. Wait, he did? Wait, he did? Huh? He did? Yeah, he just threw up that cup. Ask him. Ask him. Ask him. Okay. Mr. Bob, did you do this? Yeah, I did.